Okay, so in this video we are going to see how to solve age related problems. Okay, how to solve age related problems. So here we are going to see around all the methods. Okay, so all the ways we can solve the age problems. In some books they won't give any formulas. Okay, but here we are having some formulas that is easy to solve age related problems. Okay, right. So first we are going to see the important formulas one by one. We are going to use three formula here. So the first formula is change of ratio between two numbers. Okay, so if you are having two ratios, okay, and that is age between two person in the ratio of 1:4, like that. Okay, suppose two numbers are in ratio p is q p1 is q1, and when the number n is added to each of these numbers, the ratio between them changes to p2 q2. Okay, for example, consider two persons whose age is 1:3, that is 1 is a p1, 3 is a q1, and when the number n after 10 years their age will be 4:5. Okay, that 10 years is n. Okay, second ratio is p2 q2. Okay, in this type of problems many times asked in many competitive examinations. Okay, so no need to write any sentence or any other things. We just apply the formula here. Okay, then we will solve the problem very easily. Okay, so write the ratio as like this formula. Okay, so that is p1 q1, the first ratio. This is after 10 years or before 10 years, like that. Okay, then p2 q2. Okay, then we can find the one number that is constant, that is k, as follows, based on this equation. Okay, so we can easily remember this equation. See this equation here. From this equation onwards we can form this formula. Okay, right, n into p2 minus q2 divided by p1 q1 and b2 q2. So here we are having the small matrix. Okay, small matrix. So this is the first ratio, this is the second ratio. Here we are having the number after 10 years are like that. Okay, right, then p2 minus q2. Okay, suppose the n is subtracted from each of these ratios, that means number, then use same formula with negative sign. Okay, if the n is subtracted, then we can use negative sign. Here the n is added. Okay, if the n is subtracted, use negative number. Okay, this is the first formula. This formula is many times used in many problems. Okay, and second formula is difference and ratio between two numbers. Okay, here we are going to consider the difference in the ratio between two numbers. Okay, so consider the ratio p minus a. Okay, p minus a, that is equal to n. This is one number, that is a constant. Then b by a, that is equal to x. This is another one. Then we can write the equation for a, that is a equal to n divided by x minus 1. A equal to n divided by x minus 1. Okay, so this is one equation, that is the difference and ratio between two numbers. Then third, this is the second formula. And third formula is sum and ratio between two numbers. So this is the equation that is opposite to previous one. In previous one we are consider the difference, that is p minus a, sorry, b minus a. Here we are consider b plus a, that is a sum, addition here, that is equal to n. So b by a equal to x. Then we can write a equal to n divided by x plus 1. And previous equation, that is n divided by x minus 1, here n divided by x plus 1. Okay, so these are the three formulas we are using to solve age related problems. The first formula is mainly used in many problems, and the second and third is also used for many problems. Okay, let us see the example one by one. First one, the example 1. 10 years ago was half of p was half of q age. Okay, q's age. If the ratio of their present age is given, okay, right, and that is a 3:4. Okay, when will be the total of their present age? Okay, what will be the total of their present age? Okay, see the problem. You first understand the problem. 10 years. Okay, 10 years, and the p was half of the q age. Okay, just write the equation like this. Okay, so the 1:2, how this 1:2 came? Actually here 1:2 means p, this is p, the one is the age of p, q is 2 is the age of q. Similarly, this is p, this is for q. Okay, so this is a 10 years the back. Okay, right, so p is half of q. P age was half of the q age, so that we are having 1:2. Okay, then after 10 years, there is a 3:4. The second ratio is 3:4, so that is second ratio. Then consider this is a formula already we have studied. That is the formula number 1. So based on this formula, we can substitute in k value. Okay, right, k value. So here n equal to 10, n equal to 10, p1 equal to 1, p2 q1 equal to 2, and then p2 equal to 3, q2 equal to 4. You substitute these values in k equation. After that, simplify this equation. So 3 minus 4 equal to minus 1, that is a minus 10 in numerator. Okay, then here in matrix we have to multiply cross multiplication, that is 1 cross 4 minus 3 cross 2. So 1 cross 4 minus 3 cross 2, that is equal to 4 minus 6. So the answer is 5. Okay, so this is 5 is a constant. From this, by using this 5, we can calculate the ages of p and q. So age before 10 years, that were 5 cross 1. Actually this is a 5 is a constant. You would multiply this 5 with this ratio, that is 1:2. 1 into 5, that is equal to 5, the age of p. Then similarly 2 into 5, that is equal to 10, that is the age of q. Okay, sorry, q. Okay, the total of their present age. Actually these two ages are 10 years before. So the question is the total of their present age. So this 5 plus 10, then 10 years for p and another 10 years for q. So totally we have to add 10 years. Okay, then their age of p and q before 10 years, that is 5 and 10. Okay, so totally 35. 35 is the age of p and q after 10 years. Okay, right, so this is the first problem, very easiest problem. We can easily solve this problem by equation 1, that means the formula 1. Then second problem is also same method. Okay, so just read the problem so you can easily understand. Okay, right, here we are considered two two persons, that is a father and son. Okay, so father is 3 times more than his son age. Okay, father age is 3 times more than his son Sunil. Okay, so 3 times more than means 3 times means number 3, more than means we have to add 1, so totally 4. So the first ratio is 1:4. Okay, 4 is the father age, 1 is the son age. Then after 8 years, okay, after 8 years their age will be how 2.5 times of Sunil. The father age will be 2.5 times of Sunil. Okay, see, after 8 years the father age equal to 2.5 times of Sunil age. So 2 cross 2 4 plus 1 5. So 5 divided by 2 is present here. That is the second ratio. Okay. So after 8 years the age ratio is 1:5 divided by 2. Then the same equation is modified again. So 1:4. Then after 8 years, so you have to convert this term into like this. Just make a cross multiplication with this number. So 1 cross 2, that is equal to 2, then is 5. Okay, 2 is 5. Next you have to apply the formula by using the formula number 1, that is k equal to n into, that is P2 minus Q2 divided by P1 Q1 P2 Q2. Okay, right. So after the simplification of this equation we will get the result, that is 8. Okay, 8 is a constant. Okay, next we are going to find the ages of father and son. Yes, for the age of Sunil and father are 8 cross 1, that is 8. So here see the ratio 1 cross 8, that is 8, that is the age of son. Then 4 cross 8, that is equal to 32, that is the age of father. The question is, how many times would he be of Sunil age? So we have to find father age and Sunil age when after further 8 years. Okay, so you have to find the age of father and son after 8 years. Okay, right. So here already we have calculated, that is the father age is 32, son age is 8. Then you have to find another one, that is 32 plus 8, then plus 8. Actually we are considered 2 years. Here 2 after is present here, after 8 years one term, and another one after further 8 years. Okay, right, 2 8 years is present, so that we have to add 2 8. So father age is 48, son age is 24, so the answer is 2. Okay, so how many times would be of Sunil's age is 2 years. Okay, 2 times would be the Sunil age. Okay, right, the father age is 2 times. Okay, the answer is 2. That's the example 2. Next, the example 3, here consider the sum of ages of 5 children at the interval of 3 years. Okay, is 50 years. Find out the age of youngest child. Okay, sum of ages of 5 children, okay, is 50 years. The children age is the interval of 3. Okay, the children age is the interval of 3. Okay, so let us consider the age of youngest child is x. Actually we are going to find the age of youngest child. So the age of youngest child is x. Then the age of 5 children can be 10. So this is the youngest child, the next child is x plus 3, then next one x plus 8, then x plus 9, then x plus 12, because each children age is differ by 3. Okay, then you simplify this equation, then find the x value, so that is equal to 50. Okay, that is equal to 50. Then from the x value we can, that is the answer, the x is the answer, that is the age of the youngest child. So let the age of youngest child is x, that is equal to 4. Okay, so this is a very easy question. The next one is the average age of class of 22 students is 21. Actually consider one class, totally 22 students are present in the class, and the average age of 22 students 21. Okay, then the teacher age is also added with the students, so the average age is increased from 21 to 22, that is increased by 1. Okay, then find the age of teacher. Okay, so just understand the problem. The average age of 22 student is 21, then the average age is incremented by 1 after adding teacher age. So what will be the teacher age, or what will be the teacher age? Okay, total age. So here we are consider the average. So the total can be calculated by multiplying the average value into numbers. Okay, now total number of numbers 10. So here in the class 22 students are present, so the n value is 22, average is 21, so I have to multiply these two, we will get total age of students. Okay, this is one. Then second one, after adding a teacher, if you are adding a teacher means the average value is incremented by 1. Okay, the average value is incremented by 1, so that is increased to 22, then the count is increased to 23. So after adding teacher, the total age of students and the teacher is 23 into 22. Okay, to find the age of the teacher, we have to subtract 23 cross 22 minus 22 cross 21. So the answer is 44. Okay, 44 is the age of teacher. Okay, right. Next problem is somewhat confusing, so it's a big problem. Okay, Aisha's age is 1/6 of her father age. Okay, Aisha's father age will be twice the Sangar age after 10 years. If the Sangar 8th birthday was celebrated 2 years before, then what will be the Aisha's present age? Actually here we are considered 3 persons, one is Aisha, second one Aisha father, third one Sangar. Okay, Aisha age is 1/6 of her father. 1/6 of her father means if Aisha has 6 years means her father age will be 36. Okay, right, that is the concept. Then Aisha father age will be twice the Sangar age after 10 years. Okay, we don't know the age of Sangar. Okay, so Sangar age plus 10, that is equal to father age, Aisha's father age. Okay, if the Sangar 8th birthday was celebrated 2 years before, okay, then what will be the Aisha's present age? Okay, right. So the solution is, let Aisha's present age, that is equal to x. Then her father age is 6x. Aisha's present age is x. Then her father age is 6x, because 1/6. Aisha age is 1/6 of her father age. Okay. Then the father age is 6x. So Aisha's father age will be twice the Sangar age after 10 years. So after 10 years, Anisha's father age will be twice the Sangar age. So now the Sangar age after 10 years is how much? That is the father age plus 10 into 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Okay. Okay. Therefore, the Sangar age after 10 years is 1 by 2 6x plus 10. How the 1 by 2 is came here? Because father age, the eyes of father age is twice the age of Sangar. Okay. For example, Sangar have 5 means eyes of father age is 10. So that here we are consider 1 by 2. 6x is the father age, and this 10 is added because after 10 years. Then after simplifying this equation, so 6x divided by 2, that is 3x, 10 divided by 2, that is equal to 5. Okay. After that, also given that the Sangar 8th birthday was celebrated 2 years before. Sangar's 8th birthday was celebrated 2 years before. Therefore, Sangar age after 10 years is, after 10 years means we have to add 12 years. Actually, after 10 years, 8th year is already completed 2 years before. So, in that 2 years already bending. Okay, balance is 2 years is there. So, totally 12 years we have to add with this 8 year. Okay. So, therefore, Sangar age after 10 years is 8 plus 12 equal to 20. Okay. Then we can form this equation. Already we have calculated that is a Sangar age after 10 years equal to 3x plus 5. So that is equal to 20. Here also Sangar age after 10 years equal to 20. From this equation we have to find x, that is equal to 5. Therefore Anisha's present age is 5 years. Okay. X equal to 5, that is Anisha's present age is 5 years. Her father age is 6x. Okay, that is 30. Okay. So this is another one example. So if you understand the problem, you can easily solve the problem. Okay. The next one, actually we are consider in this problem 2 persons, son and father. Okay. Right. So we are consider the sum of the age of son and father is 60. Okay. Then 6 years ago, that is before 6 years, father age was 5 times the son age. Father age was 6 years before, the father age was 5 times the son age. Okay. So what will be the son age? Okay. Right. It's a very simple question. Easily we can solve. First we have to consider x is the son age. Then y be the father age. Okay, x is the son age, then y be the father age. Given that the sum of son and his father is 60. Okay, already in the problem we have. Okay, sum of son age and father age is 60. So x plus y equal to 60. Okay, then 6 years ago, that means before, father age was 5 times the son age. Therefore, this is the son age, that is x is the son, y is the father. So father age equal to 5 times the son age when minus 6, that is a 6 years before. Okay, after simplifying this equation we can have this equation 5x minus y equal to 24. By solving about two equations, actually we are having the two equations, one is x plus y equal to 60 and 5x plus minus y equal to 24. If we are just adding these two equations, we will get x. Okay, this is x equal to 14. Okay, after 6 years, the age of son, that is x equal to 20, because after 6 years, what will be the age, that is x minus 6. Sorry, actually this is before. So current age is 14. Current age of son is 14. After 6 years means you have to add 6 years, totally 20 years. Okay, very simple question, easily we can solve without any formulas. Okay, right. Then next one is, consider 6 years ago the ratio of ages of Vimal and Saroj was, that is 6 is 5. 6 years ago the ratio of Vimal and Saroj is 6 is 5. Then after that, already we are first point, 6 years ago, that is one number, that is 8. After that again 4 years hence the ratio of their age will be 11 is to 10. 4 years hence, after 4 years the age is 11 is to 10. Then what is the Saroj age at present? Okay, right. So consider the equation already we are studied, that is P1 is Q1. So the n equal to 10 here, because first 6 years ago, then after that 4 years hence. So 6 plus 4 equal to 10 years, total gap is 10 years. Okay, right. Then B2 Q2, substitute the equation, substitute the values in the equation, that is 6 is 5, that is 10. Okay, that is equal to 11 is 10. So apply this into formula, that is equal to n into P2 minus Q2 divided by P1 Q1 P2 Q2. Okay, then simplify this equation, you will get 2. This is the number 2. Then from this 2 we can find the age of the person. So age 6 years ago, that is this one, 2 into 5, the Saroj age, this is the Vimal age, so 25 into 10. Saroj, the present age is, that is a 6 years ago, that is 10. Then present age means you have to add again another one 6, so that is equal to 16. Okay, so very easy problem. Okay, easily we can solve by using the formula number 1. Okay, right. And the next one is, the ages of two persons is differ by some years. Okay, that is a 16 years. Actually this problem is based on formula 3. Okay, difference, the ages of two persons differ by 10 years. Then 6 years ago the age will be, okay, 6 years ago the age will it was sometimes, how much actually, it was sometimes as old as youngest one. What is the age of the elder person? Okay, right. So consider the formula, that is here we consider difference, b minus a, that is equal to n, and b by a equal to x. Okay, then a equal to n by x minus 1. You have to use this formula. The difference is b minus a, that is equal to 16. So that is a 16 years. The difference, two person age is differ by 16 years. Then b by a equal to 3. Okay, so the 3 is present given in a problem. Okay, then we can write a equal to 16 divided by 3 minus 1, that is equal to 8. Okay, so this is a. So a values we have, then b equal to, that is already we have equation b minus a equal to 16, a equal to 8, then b equal to again how much, 16 plus 8 equal to 24. The present age of elder person is, that is 24 plus 6, that is equal to 30, because you have to add 6. Okay, right. So that is let us, the age of elder and younger person is 10 years ago. 10 years ago, 6 years ago is this 24. Current age, that means present means you have to add this 6 again, so totally 30 years. Okay, 30 years of, that is the age of elder persons. Okay, right. So this is a very simple problems. Actually here we have studied 3 formulas and 8 different examples. Okay, so we can easily solve age related problem. So the first formula is a very important one. Based on this formula only most of the problems are asked in competitive examinations. Okay, right. If you have any doubt, please comment us. Okay, and subscribe this channel. Thank you.